Well, that was an amazing game.
That was an awesome game. I cannot believe we are only 20 miles from that stadium.
What? That is insane.
It is insane, but you know what I'm really excited about?
What's that, Ryan?
What's up, guys? We're here at 2638 Foxglove Drive, Marietta. Clearly, Paige is excited. I haven't seen her this excited since the Dogs won the championship last week.
Well, hang on. Let me tell you why I'm so excited about this property.
We could tell them, or we could just show them.
I like that idea.
Let's do it.
Come on.